Hey, what's up guys? This is me Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel The Layer V. Today's video is going to be about me trying another makeup look that's already out on the internet, and today I'm going to be attempting to recreate this look that has been already done by Deepica Mutiyala. If you don't know who Deepica Mutiyala is, you're probably living under the rock. I absolutely love her to death, and she's the girl, the brown chick that actually brought about the red lipstick under the eye to correct the under eye darkness. She's such a huge internet sensation right now, and I absolutely love her to death, and I love the initiation that she's brought about with Tinted. They bring all of our different unique shades all together and celebrate our uniqueness. And also one more cool thing about Tinted is that they have newsletter just like I do, and they also talk about products that are brown girl friendly. You definitely have to go and check her website out. I'll put a link to it down in the info bar below. If you're watching me and this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Might I add that you perhaps subscribe to this channel and watch this video till the end. If you like it, then give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, this is the look that I came up with. I absolutely love how it actually turned out. All of the products that were used in Deepika's makeup look, I don't have all of them. I just try to use whatever that's available in the collection, and that's the beauty of recreating YouTube videos in the comfort of your own home. And without any further ado, if you want to know how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, to begin my base off, I'm going to be using a Laura Mercier foundation primer, and Deeps have actually used the Armani foundation balm, something of that sort. I will just insert a video of her showing what she's using to prime her face with, and then I'm moving on to my concealer, and she's using the Smashbox correcting sticks. In my case, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer, and I'm just buffing it out with a Sigma. I believe this is a concealer brush, but it blends up beautifully. I really love how the finish it looks like. It's just with a little bit of correction with a peach corrector. All of the problem areas have been concealed and corrected. I'm moving on to foundation, and I believe Deeps is using the L'Oreal Pro Glow. I'm using the NYX Total Drop, and I really like this. It's so weightless. You would not believe how it actually feels like on the skin. It is almost like nothing. By far, of all the foundations that I've tried, this is the best lightweight ever. To do a little bit of concealing, I'm actually using a foundation quad that looks like this. This is from a local brand. It's called the Roxmatics Foundation Quad in Light. I'm just mixing and matching a little bit of the colors in the quad itself, just so that I could brighten up my under eye. And I'm going to pat everything, lock it down with the IT Cosmetics pressed powder in translucent. And Deeps over here, I believe she's using the Laura Mercier one to set her face as well. To slim down the contours of my face, I'm going to be going in with the ABH Contour Kit, and I believe Deeps is using the NARS Laguna Bronzer to just have a little bit of overall glow and just to tone down the perimeters a little bit. And she also did a little bit with the same Laguna Bronzer for her nose, and I'm doing the same as well. For blush, I'm using the H&M Pure Radiance blusher. I love this color. It's called Golden Peach. So she's using the one from Jaclyn Hill and Becca. I believe it's called, I can't remember what's it called, but I'll insert an image of it right here where Deeps is applying. Wow, I'm actually calling her Deeps. Okay, now moving on to the eyes. Deepika is using a Maybelline eyelid primer. I'm using the one from NYX Lingerie Eye Tint, if I'm not wrong. Moving on to the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using my I Love Makeup in the Chocolate and Peaches palette. I'm taking this really nice hint of peach that has a lot of gold flakes in it, and I'm just patting it down onto my mobile lid, just everywhere, ever so lightly. Moving on to a brown that has a red tint to it, I'm just going to be buffing that color onto my crease, and that's exactly what Deepika is doing in her video as well. Taking a little bit of a nudie champagne pop of color just for my inner corner highlights, and I'm taking the same color onto beneath my brows for a little bit of brow bone highlight. Using the same brown, I'm going to be buffing that color onto my lower lash line. I just poked myself in the eye, so you gotta be really careful when you're walking around the eyes. Okay, so moving on to eyebrows, I am trying out this Innisfree eyebrow pencil that comes with a spoolie on the other end, just like very much box standard. I believe Deepika is using the one from Benefit Cosmetics. So she's moving on to lining her eyes, and she's using the NYX liquid liner in black. It's my current favorite. This is from Essence, so low cost and it works great. She's moving on to lining her lower lash line with a nudie. I believe she used something that has a little bit of peach in it. This is just a full-on nude color from Rimmel London. Mascara just to coat the eyelashes a little bit, because all of the work that we did on our eyes will go missing if we do not finish it off with a little bit of mascara. Deepika is applying she's just applying false lashes, and that's exactly what I'm doing right here. So for the lips, Deepika had a very almost like a sparkly, glossy kind of peachy color. I tried to go in with this Gerard Cosmetics lip color. I believe this is called Buttercup, but I felt like it kind of washed out the whole look together. I didn't quite like how it actually looked like. I decided to remove it and went on to another lip combo choice. I believe I used the L'Oreal Magic Secret Date. Just dab it a little bit onto the centers of my lip and topped it off with the Tarte's lip paint in Tinsel. And this finished the look, you guys. I really hope you enjoy watching my recreation. Just to put my own spin on it, I felt like it was a little bit incomplete without some highlight on my cupid's bow, so I just went in with the same color for my inner corner highlight, just sticking it onto my cupid's bow and just dipped it onto the tip of my nose. And this is the final look.
That's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, please do so. All that will be needed is for you to click on the subscribe button and turn on notification. And yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next week's video. Bye, guys.